Spray foam is more effective than fibrous insulation, cellulose-based insulation. So I don't need to install as much. This gets into the conversation of a term we shouldn't be using, the effective R value. There's no such thing as an effective R value. It is what it is. Well, it's true that medium density spray foam has a higher R value than other insulations, and when installed correctly provides an effective air barrier and vapor control layer. That doesn't mean you can reduce the thickness of spray foam to something that the installer thinks is enough. We cannot do that. For starters, we're accepting too much risk. If we thin out the R value and there's a condensation issue 5, 10, 15 years from now and the building falls down because of premature rot associated with the moisture, associated with condensation because there isn't enough insulation there, you've accepted the performance of that wall assembly, that attic assembly, because you thinned out and you went against the code. Now, there's a way around the code, and you can calculate the energy efficiency of the entire structure. But that's a very complex calculation, and it involves occupancy, how many people, how big is the HVAC system, what is the window to wall, the opaque openings. It's a very complex calculation. You can't just arrive on the job site and say, hey, instead of 5 inches, I'm only going to put 2.5 and it'll be fine because it's an air barrier and it's a vapor barrier. That's against code.
To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.